As more and more fleets are looking for sustainable alternatives to keep their fleets cost efficient, whether it's moving away from cargo vans, heavy KUVs, or simply diversifying their fleet, the demand for SpaceKap has skyrocketed in recent years. Unlike a traditional truck cap, DCU, or truck utility system, SpaceKap is a slip-in service body built to last 15-20 years. Its universal fit for all full-size trucks allows it to be transferred onto 2 to 3 different trucks over its lifespan. This flexibility is how SpaceKap offers the best ROI on the market, with each vehicle swap saving you $8,000 to $11,000 in upfit fees compared to fleets operating cargo vans. Ergonomics and safety is where SpaceKap truly shines. We have always prioritized technician comfort, making SpaceKap the leader in industry ergonomics. SpaceKap offers 3 models. The Compak, our urban model, was designed with ergonomics in mind. Its side access doors provide access to the interior shelving without the need to crawl in, and when paired with a slide, your cargo is always within arm's reach. This ergonomic design allows you to work completely from the outside in an upright position and reduces the risk of injury. The Wild, our midsize model, has an interior clearance of 53 inches. Just like the Compak, it has side accesses with more cargo space, making it sit 6 inches above the truck cab. Combined with a sliding tray, the Wild gives you instant access to all areas of your service body. The high-roof Diablo has an interior height of 6 foot 3 inches. It is a walk-in SpaceKap with ample space, providing you with more than enough storage capacity. If you're used to a tall roof van, you'll love the Diablo when coupled with a 4x4 truck. With quality and durability in mind, all SpaceKap come with plenty of standard features, such as double-layered fiberglass shell to prevent condensation, ribbing system for structural rigidity, automotive door seals. All SpaceKaps are 100% dustproof, waterproof, slam door handles like doors of the truck, standard with E-lock programmed to the truck key fob, standard rubber floor mat, gel coat finish for UV protection, 40/60 rear doors keep you safely away from incoming traffic, 40 inches LED lights bar. And all SpaceKaps come standard with a lifetime warranty. The only modification needed to the truck is to remove the tailgate. Since all SpaceKaps arrive fully upfitted, the technician is ready to hit the road within 2 hours with no surprise or upfit delays. Experience SpaceKap for yourself.